All right, everybody. I'm not able to be here today. So I got Paul down here working with a friend. Uh-oh, can you turn this off?
All the 2x4s under the main wall.
Yes, refab the whole thing. Not to mention the outside walls had to have the outside plate replaced also.
Yep.
So we replaced the plates and everything on this thing. It was completely rotted out. Under the walls in the bathroom here, all them rafters were broken. I mean, they were broken off. They were broken, gone. That's right underneath the tub. Yeah, see that? That was the actual one. It broken off.
Over yesterday, the wall was still here. He tore it all out.
Yep, it did good.
Hello, man. How you doing?
You comfy?
I'm comfy. I just need a cooler.
Yeah, so this is the bedroom.
I went ahead and done the installation of that.
Oh, good. That's great. Awesome, Paul.
It's all new today.
Yeah.
When we had our trailer, we had the built-in bureaus.
Yeah.
Actually, we got built-in bureaus in our house.
Yeah, I don't care about them. I don't like built-ins.
No.
I would get rid of it and put my own in there.
You right?
Looking good, Paul.
I'm good, baby.
Everything going good today?
Yep.
Helping out good?
I need a plumber and electrician.
Yeah, I know.
Bad.
Yes, we do.
Because I got to open up right now when you get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he's coming to my house. He's coming here tonight.
Hey,
Plumber's coming tonight.
the fucking Rico.
Watch him out.
That Rico top of the, in the river.
Yes.
It's not the dome. It's not the thing.
What is it?
It's a whole trailer in the roof.
In the roof itself?
In the roof itself. Yeah.
Got it. Did you fix it?
I caught that. I caught it.
Yeah, thank you. Hole in the roof. It wasn't that thing.
No.
Okay, well, now we know. Well, this is coming along good. Tomorrow I'll be back.
Yeah.
They're leaving in the morning. This is great. This is the last bedroom.
It's getting there. Then I'm gonna take me a woman before put it up underneath here
Yep.
to catch my.
Oh, great idea.
You know?
Great idea, Paul. What about the middle?
What?
What are you going to put in the middle?
Yeah.
It's wider than 8 feet.
That's 4 foot there.
4 feet?
Yeah, that's 4 foot here there.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that one. I didn't see it. I was walking by
This
before
one's
there.
small. This thing has so big of a bend in it.
Yes.
And I had a bad gap right here.
Yeah.
And I take it off.
Had to get rid of it.
I'll just cut it. Make it scrap metal.
So we'll have to put some blocking over here.
Yep. Oh yeah, I gotta block everything. Ain't done no blocking today.
Well, before we do, we want to get that crap up underneath. Anyway.
Yeah. This side's good.
Yeah, I see that's
All
how
we
it
done.
is.
Oh, we done. I beat on.
Beautiful.
No lighting one before nothing.
Good. Looking good, Paul. I hate I missed a couple days, but that's all right. I'll be back tomorrow. Back? Huh?
You got family down here.
Yeah. Gonna visit my family. Plumber will be here tonight. He's
That's why you got people like me. That's why you got people like me.
as soon as he gets off of work, he's calling me today. And I'm not sure if he got a hold to the electrician or not yet. I'm gonna call him tonight. Looking good through here. Looking super good. We got most of it done. This is sweet. All right, guys. So I missed a day or so. Paul's been here, and I gave him a helper today, so he doesn't have any issues. Now we're waiting on a plumber and an electrician before we can finish that bathroom floor, because the plumber is going to have to run some stuff under there for sure. For the bathtub we had to take out, things that were broken through here, and everything else that was going on. So rebuild, but we're close. It's not too bad. Beautiful thing. I like it. Then we're going to tear this deck off in this building, tearing this all off. Yeah, we're gonna, this deck that I'm standing on, that's gonna come off.
It is?
That building right there, we're gonna take that down.
Really?
Yeah.